Welcome! In front of me I have Withings Move watch, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this device. To factory reset this watch, we need to press and hold the side button, this one, for about 10 seconds. And once the watch vibrates twice, basically, you need to release the button. So let's press and hold the side button, keep holding it. After the watch vibrates twice, release the button. The yellow hand should move to the 50. Now we need to press the side button 5 times, slowly. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Basically the hand should move to 0. And after it does, the watch will reset itself to the factory default settings. If your watch was paired with a phone, it's also recommended to open the Withings Health Mate application on your phone that was paired with your watch. Tap on devices. As you can see, we have the Withings Move on here. Tap on settings, tap on dissociate this product, tap on OK, and close the app. Okay, and that's it. That's how you factory reset this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.